Hi, I'm Jack from K&B Audio, and today we're going to be unboxing the Studio 6.5 in-ceiling speaker from JBL. Upon opening the box, the first thing you'll find is the product manual and setup guide. Next is the speaker ceiling cutout template. After that, you get your speaker grill. Simple to fit, so we shall install that later. And then the ceiling speaker itself. Once removed from the packaging, you'll see the ceiling speaker. That's the main driver at the rear, and the two tweeters at the top for the left and right channels. At the bottom, you have the HF level indicator. You can put this into minus, center for 0, and across for plus. On the back of the speaker, the main thing you need to notice is the speaker terminal connectors. 2 for your left channel and 2 for the right. They're nice and easy to use. Simply push them down, put your cable in place, and then release. And now we shall fit the speaker grill. Take the grill out of its packaging. These are magnetic. Simply place over the speaker, and it'll catch in place.